I have the best chapstick recipe ever and the easiest. You can make this in literally 5 minutes. I actually sell this lip balm on my website and it's one of my top sellers. My name is Jennifer and welcome to my channel where I show you how to make all kinds of skin loving creations. I will link where you can buy things in the description along with all of my other links and timestamps. I would be so appreciative if you could like and subscribe so you can get notified of all of our new videos. We all need some chapstick to keep our puckers moisturized and plump, especially during winter. So here's what you'll need to make this. A wax of some kind. I use beeswax. You can use Candelia wax also. A hard butter like mango or shea or cocoa butter. We use tallow for this. And an oil or two for the oil portion. We used olive and castor oil. In my opinion, castor oil is an absolute must for a portion of the oil because it will add slip and shine to your lips. But you can use another oil if you want, like almond oil or jojoba. I like a little bit heavier oils for my lips, but you might not, and that's okay. We chose to use tallow for this because it's our specialty and it's really great on the lips, but any of the other butters will work just fine. And you'll need a regular chapstick tube. You can find these pretty much anywhere. They have them on Amazon. These are 0.15 ounce size tubes. You will also need a small beaker or a glass jar to melt everything down. I like beakers because it's easy to pour into the tubes. You can also use a disposable syringe like this that you can buy on Amazon. We use these for bigger batches because they can fill up the tubes really quickly. I personally don't particularly like those giant rubber mats that the lip balm tubes stick in the holes because they are super messy and the wax cools quickly, so they're just a pain to work with in my opinion. We have all our ingredients weighed here for a 70-gram batch, which makes 11 lip balm tubes with a tiny pinch left over, which comes out to 14 grams of beeswax, 14 grams of tallow or hard butter, and 42 grams of oil. And if you don't have a scale, you can totally do this with measurements. You can do 1 tablespoon of tallow, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, and 3 tablespoons of oil. So in my formula, I use 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. The percentages are listed here. So we have 20% hard butters, 20% wax, 60% oils. So to get started, I'm going to put everything in my heat safe jar. You can put it in a double broiler in a water bath until it all melts. Another option if you're in a hurry is popping it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes in 30-second intervals. While that's melting, we're going to get our tubes ready. So no matter where you buy your tubes, take all the lids off and unscrew the bottoms all the way down, just to make sure it's down all the way. That way you don't only get half a tube of balm. And a lot of times they come half screwed. Once everything is fully melted, you will want to stir it a few times to ensure everything is well mixed. Now we're going to very carefully fill our tubes one by one. Pour slowly, and it's okay if it spills out a little bit because when it cools off, you can just pick it off really easily. It'll pop right off. When you're done pouring, wipe out all the residual wax from your beaker or jar right away so it's easy to wash because it will harden very quickly. Then wait about 10 minutes until everything is cooled and solidified. It doesn't take long for it to fully harden, and that's it. You have a beautiful, hydrating, moisturizing lip balm that just seals in your lips, and I absolutely love this formula. I've used it for years now, and everybody who's tried it has loved it, and they're pretty much addicted to it. So enjoy. Thanks for coming to my channel and watching. I appreciate it. If you all would like and subscribe, and join me on Patreon, and I will include all the links to my socials and supplies that you need to make this. Thanks.